Hi everybody, Pierre from Reception Academy. Today we are going to discuss the correction of the exercise 14 from our home study guide.
Please note this tutorial video has been designed for students taking the Opera PMS home study course. If you don't have already access to the software, you could find more information about the course on our website. I have added the course link to the video description below, and you could get Opera PMS installed and tag along. You just have to click on book now.
For this exercise I have created a booking under the name of John Doe. It's a booking arriving today for 2 nights for 2 guests in a twin bedded room. I selected a twin, but you could have selected also a twin executive. For the first task you have to update the guest address details. Go to your profile ellipsis and type in your address. Ensure that each word starts with a capital letter. Once you're happy, press OK and save. Add the second guest details. To do so, you wanted to go to Options, Accompanying, type in the name of the second guest, Smith, click Search. If you have a result and is matching, you could select it. Alternatively, in my case, I will click on New to make a new one. Here, what you want is to put the title, email address, and telephone number. And once you're happy with the details, you just need to press OK. And close your reservation options window. Your main guest eats only kosher. So here what you wanted to do is you wanted to record it in his profile as well as into the booking. So in the profile will be a profile note and in the booking will be a trace. Let's start with the profile note. I go to my profile ellipsis. I click on Options. I click on Notes. Then the note type is for food and beverage. The title will be Diet Requirements. And you press your message. Guests follow Jewish diet and it's only kosher food. Now, if you haven't done like me and copy the message, what I would advise you to do here is just to highlight it and do Ctrl+C to copy your message in order to paste it into your trace. I press OK. I close that panel. And I press OK on my individual profile window. And here I want to click on Options and I want to click on Traces. If you know your departments, you can just type them in. I will select F&B because it's all the department of food and beverage in one go. And I just need to paste my message. Once I am happy with everything, I click on OK. And then I close. And then I close my reservation options window. And I save. Please place a hairdryer in the room. That was an item inventory. You want it to go to the drop-down menu. Select New. From your list, find your hairdryer, which is just here. Press OK. You do not need to change any details because it's one hairdryer for the full stay. Press OK. Click on OK on the item inventory window. And then you just need to click Save. The system will prompt you and ask you if you want to create a trace. Say yes. And here you just need to confirm the details and click on OK. And save. One of the guest colleagues left a message. So what you wanted to go to Options, Messages. It says that John Blue left a message. So Blue, John, Mr. Company, Mist Steak Restaurant. Type in the telephone number of the caller. And once you click on the box at the bottom, the details of the caller appear. That is the signature of the message. So what I advise you to do is always to go in front, press enter a couple of times, and here type in your mistake. Type in your message. So based on the conversation, and I'll close there, you can either start with Dear Mr. Doe or Dear John. So in my case, I will start with Dear John. And then I will paste the message. And then I put kind regards and comma. Your message will look a little bit like an email. Let's keep it simple. and then I just click on OK. So the message is here, and I just need to click close, and I will close my options window and save. Guess who'd like a banana cake? So to do so, you wanted to go to Options, Traces, and here you click New. Now, as your guest is arriving today, it's very unlikely that your restaurant and kitchen at this time will be able to bake a cake for the guest. So I will send my concierge to get a cake from outside. So I just go to my department code and I press concierge. So once you select the concierge department, you want to go to your trace text and you want to write down the message. Your message should have enough information for the department to be able to perform the task. In my case, please arrange a banana cake at least for 2. The cake should ideally be purchased from Marks & Spencer and needs to be delivered to the guest bedroom at 10 o'clock. Budget is £20. Once you are happy with the details, and the department should have enough information to perform the task, then you must press OK. Close your traces, and close your reservation options, and save. The guest would like a mini fridge arranged to his room. To organize it, you want to go to Item Inventory, and then New, and then you want to select mini fridge. Press OK. You do not need to change any details because it's for the full duration of the stay. Click on OK, and press OK on your Item Inventory window. Then you want to click Save. The system will prompt you with a trace text. Say yes. Confirm the details of the trace for housekeeping to deliver mini fridge to the room. Click on OK, and save. Guest is regular, ensure to greet him accordingly. So first you wanted to check your VIP status. And here we see there is one for regular, which are not members. If your guest was a member, it will have popped up already, so select it. Press OK. Then you wanted to add the reservation color matching. Click on the drop-down menu and select green for VIP. Press OK. Save. As you can see, once I save, I've got the VIP color appearing. Then you wanted to go to Options, and you wanted to select Alerts. We need to get the reminder to say Welcome back. So then you click on Code, select Greeting, press OK. Area, you wanted to welcome back the guest at check-in, and here you wanted to change the message, and you wanted to write Welcome back to my training hotel, Mr. Doe, or a similar message to inform the receptionist to welcome back the guest on arrival. Press OK, and close your Alerts window, and close your Options window. As you can see, there is the Alerts lamp, which is here. In addition to those, what I would have done as well for the departments is to arrange the setup. Now, it should be done automatically by those departments if they pick it up from the report, but it's always a plus to add a trace for them. So click on Options, select Traces, click on New, and here you want to type in a couple of departments, such as Room Service, for food and beverage delivery to the bedroom, such as a box of chocolates, something like this. Housekeeping, for bathrobes, slippers, whatever is on title as a bedroom settings. And guest services, in case you go to the guest services department, because you need to be aware that the VIP is coming, in order to check the bedroom prior to arrival. And then you write down the message, please arrange the type of VIP, so VIP2 setup. Press OK. Close your traces, and close your options. As your guest is arriving today, and there are many things which make this room specific. I would have assigned a room in advance, any, such as 504, for example. Press OK. And after POA, I will ensure that this room doesn't get changed. So I will put a star, letter DNM, VIP2, cake. And then you could add as well the mini fridge and the hairdryer. Let me save first. So, don't be worried if whatever you type in is not fitting in the box. If you put your mouse and you overlap your comments, the system will display the full sentences. So you can read fairly quickly why the room should not be changed. It's a VIP2, there is a cake as well, mini fridge, and the hairdryer. Once you're happy with everything, you press save. Your guest works for the Mist Steak restaurant. You just have to attach the company profile to the booking. So you go to company, just here, and you type in the name of the company. So Mist Steak restaurant, and you press tab. The system will find some results. I can see there are few mistake restaurants which exist already, but there is none with the right address. So I click on search, and then I click on new. And here I need to type in the details of the restaurant. So 10 London E17NF. And as usual, you should always take the generic telephone number of the company and the generic email address. Once you're happy with the details of the company, you must press OK. In case you were set on leisure, ensure that corporate has been updated, then click Save. The next task is to check in the guest, and I will accelerate the process up to cashiering and billing. We have now reached the bill of the guest. I will start by posting all the items which should be on the bill. I will then take the deposit that he gave by cash of £100, and then I will follow that by doing the adjustments, and finally we'll do the routing in order to move the items to a bill redeemed under the company name. To start, I click on post. My first posting was a breakfast, so I type in restaurant food, £20. Now, because they already had breakfast inclusive in the rate, it must have been for a third guest. So you need to specify extra breakfast or breakfast for a friend, something like this. Then I click on post to go to the next line. Then we had a dinner. So let's put restaurant dinner food, which was £46. And we had also drinks with that. So restaurant beverage, dinner one, £23. Then the guest went to the pool, which was £5. Then my guest went for shoulder massage, so I select spa. That was £78. And I specify in my reference what it is. So shoulder massage. Press enter to go to the next line. Then our guest had some nuts from the minibar. So here you want to type in mini, press tab, then you want to select articles, and you want to select the pack of nuts, £3.50. Then your guest broke a hairdryer. So broken hairdryer is a miscellaneous posting. So the cost was £40. The following post was for the cake. And the cake has been purchased from outside, so it's a paid out. So paid out, £20. Cake from Marks and Spencer. So last item that my guest had was a laundry. So I'll just go to here, I'll put laundry. I put £56, and I need to add a check number, so 472 54573. If you wanted to be specific, such as it was some dry cleaning, washing, pressing, you could put it in reference as well. In our case, let's put dry cleaning and press enter. Once you are done posting all the items, you want to click close. To record the cash deposit given at check-in of £100, you wanted to click on Payment, select the cash method, and type in £100. Then click Post. As you can see, the cash payment has been recorded, bringing the balance down by £100. Your guests complained about the slow service during the dinner, and we had to apply the 15% discount. So first, what you wanted to do is select your both items from the dinner, your food and beverage, add crosses, make a right click, select Adjust Transaction, select Adjust by Selected Posting, click on OK. Reason code is complaint about the service. Then leave it in percentage, and you want to type in 15%. So 15. And in reason text, something similar to that, slow service, 15% discount on dinner upgrade. Once you are happy, press OK. System will prompt you and tell you that the two charges has been adjusted. And here you will see on the bill your 2 plus charges and your 2 minus charges. So the system will have applied the discount. Those charges need to remain, the plus and the minuses, on the same bill. For the last task, we had to rename a bill under the company name, and we had to move the food and beverage items to it. So let's start. First, open your new window. So right click new window. And then click on Options, select Routing, select Window at top of the form, click on the drop-down menu where it says Name, select the company name, press OK. Window to is fine, click on OK to close your window. To close your routing instructions, click on Close. Say No to refresh for use. And close your billing options. Then it's just a matter of drag and dropping, select all your food and beverage with the discounts, and the minibar as well because there are the nuts, and then you want to drag and drop to the second window. This brings the correction of the exercise number 14 to an end. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.